Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a point of view drive with the Renault Captur 2023 model. This is the E-Tech Engineered, so a full hybrid model. As you can see, we have the beautiful spec, gray color, gold accents here and gloss black finish on the front grille, but also for the roof and for the wing mirrors. Now let me show you the side profile of the car. 4 meters, 22.7 centimeters. Rides on those beautiful 18-inch wheels, gold accents on the sides as well, and this is the view from the rear. So the C shape of the LED tail lamps and some nice details as well, gloss black lettering and the Renault badge. But now we are ready to go for a point of view test drive, so let's see it from driver's perspective. Inside the cabin now, this is the key. You can put it here in this slot and we are ready to go. Start button is here, and you also see the ambient lights, but more details about that can be found in my night point of view drive. But yeah, now let's go on a drive during the day. So this is the gear shifter for the multi-mode automatic transmission. Let's put it to drive and we are ready to go. And this is a full hybrid, which means it's a self-charging hybrid that consists of the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and the 2 electric motors. You also get 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery, and total output is 145 horsepower. Once again, multi-mode automatic transmission. And you will see that in the city you will be able to drive a lot purely on electric power. There's also the B mode, which is the mode for maximum recuperation. So for example, now the car is slowing down even though we are going downhill. That is in the B mode, so maximum recuperation. Then you can just pull it towards you to go back into drive. Now the layout in front of us is really nice and beautiful, with the digital cockpit, the 10-inch one on this one, and the 9.3-inch main touchscreen. And we have a big truck, so it's convenient that I can just go here to let it go. There we go, and we are continuing the drive. Acceleration from 0 to 100 takes 9.9 seconds, while the top speed is 180 kilometers per hour on this hybrid. There are also other options, so you can go for the petrol, for the mild hybrid, but also LPG versions. So tell me in your comments, what would be your choice of an engine for this model? And now I've put on the navigation view here, the map view actually, and you can see lovely big navigation with 3D shape of the buildings, which is always nice to see. And there are a few options here in the cockpit as well. So for the main cluster, for example, if I put the car to sport, you see that we have a bit of a different view, and then eco also different. And in my sense, you can also change the view on the cluster, and I will show you that when we will be stationary. And good news is that the AC is on switches, so it's very easy to operate this. You have the temperature in the middle, and then here you adjust the air blower and the mode on this one. Now I can show you the cluster: sport, regular, comfort, and eco. And speaking about practicality, the rear bench can be moved by 16 centimeters. You also get a lot of storage areas here. Not sure if camera is catching it right now, but underneath this section, the central console, you have additional room here, a lot of room actually. And of course in the door pockets, and here the cup holders as well. So there will be no problems with storing your items here, as there's really a lot of room. Also here you have additional storage area, 2 USB ports, 12-volt power supply. So yeah, well equipped. And also the safety systems, driver assist systems that make your life easier. Car is packed with them. We have, for example, the blind spot assist, and you see that orange dot is blinking when we have the car in our blind spot and we turn on the indicator. So of course it warns you that the car is in your blind spot, so you don't do the lane change. If you want to see more details about the infotainment system itself, then you can watch my full review where I covered all of the things here, and of course the trunk space and stuff like that. But today's focus is the point of view drive itself, so that you see how it feels behind the steering wheel. Here we do have the additional buttons, heated steering wheel that this car does have as an option, and then also the lane assist, and the lights can be configured here. And I really love this map, looks so cool. I don't know if you can see, but we also have the energy flow view here on our right. You can also configure the things that you see here in front of you as well. Alright guys, so that was it. The point of view test drive with the Renault Captur E-Tech Engineered. Tell me in the comments how do you like it. And also do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more videos to come with this car, but also with other test cars as well.